guys, it's Kitchen Addiction with Dage. This is my first episode, and today I'm going to be making pan-seared steak, homemade loaded mashed potatoes, and sauteed.
Now they see JP with them air. She wanna ride me like a roller coaster, baby, that ain't fair. I'm on the elevator up while you niggas taking stairs. I got my city on my back, they screaming Johnny P for mayor. Shawty say she thinks she love me, baby girl, I am a player. Tell them boys is gonna get.
Here I have some red potatoes for my loaded mashed potatoes. I'm just going to cut them into pieces. Doesn't matter, wherever you want to cut it. Just want to come and put them in the water so they can boil. A few of them fell. And if it overfills, it's okay because it's going to boil down anyway. Okay, so now I have some garlic for the mashed potatoes, just to give them flavor. You just want to smash it if you can with your hand, like that. And then you can just put one piece in there. Well, two. I got a lot. Okay, so now that the potatoes have boiled, you want to just mash them. Some milk. I don't measure anything, by the way. I just eye it. Then you want to add some complete seasoning. That should be good. Little bit of salt. And then after you add the salt and the complete seasoning, you just want to add a half a stick of butter. Yes, a half a stick. Steak with salt and pepper. So now we are going to pour olive oil into our pan. You want it nice and hot so you can get a good sear on the steak. That should be good. So now you're going to lay the steak in the pan. And that's exactly what you want to hear. Get a nice sear on it. And there you go. So guys, this is the trick I learned a while ago when you're cooking steak. So the inside of your thumb will be rare steak. So when you touch a steak and it has the same feeling as the inside of your hand, that's rare. And then right here, this is medium rare. Here, medium well. And then over here where your wrist bone is, that's going to be well done. So guys, this is after I cooked it over, after about 7 minutes probably. So you want to add some cloves of garlic and some thyme. That is going to give it a great flavor. Okay, now lastly we have our shrimp. I'm going to season the shrimp with Old Bay. Just want to toss it around. seasoning. And cayenne pepper.
I couldn't get them J's, now they see JP with them air. She wanna ride me like a roller coaster, baby, that ain't fair. I'm on the elevator up, while you niggas taking stairs. I got my city on my back, they screaming Johnny P for mayor. Shawty say she thinks she love me, baby girl, I am a player. Tell them boys it's gon' get ugly, man, they better say a prayer. Told my ex my heart was fragile and they handle it with care. But she broke it anyways, that's how I know that bitch ain't care. Mama couldn't get them Nikes, now